Look what I got. I got something from Chanel. So this is the Chanel Christmas collection, and the gift sets that were happening with all of the beautiful bags finally in the UK. Right now they are all sold out, but I hope that they restock it soon. And usually from just shopping on the website in general, they do tend to restock often, so fingers crossed there. I got my little parcel. Usually every year they have these really cute Christmas packaging, but they also have these charms, which I didn't get in this one. I'm hoping that when I shop in store for like little things that I might need, I'm going to hopefully get these little charms. So I got these little perfume bottles and I converted them into earrings, and it's just really cute. I have clip-on earrings because I actually don't have an ear piercing, and I got 2 of them, so it's really cute. So last year they had this star charm, which is really cute. It has the little CC there. And then they also have the moon. Also comes with the double C logo. And then I got the perfume bottle, which I can show you here. So I just attached it on to this earring. Just super cute. I know they have the same charms as last year to this year. So I think they added an extra one, which is the double C logo, and I'm in the hunt for that one, and those will look so cute as earrings. So I will probably get 2 of those when I get the chance, but let's get into the unboxing. So let's open you up. Beautiful blue ribbon, and inside is straight up, you can see the bag already. And here we have the gorgeous bag, super pretty. I love how this looks, and it's metallic gold with the blue as the base, so it's kind of like this really closely knit tweed. I don't know whether this is the right terminology, but so pretty. So it also has the Chanel logo, kind of feels like vinyl material, so it is a little bit 3D and it's very pretty, but the sheen on this is just very elegant and it's quite a nice size. Also has the gold zipper, so gold zipping all the way around, and then the zipper in itself has the Chanel logo on there. And if we open it up, inside we have some more stuffing paper. Here we have the 2 items that I got with it. This was actually the cheapest combo. This was actually £66, and it's just pretty much the price of the 2 items. So the first one I got is the mascara, and the mascara I've never actually tried before. This one is Le Volume de Chanel, and it's in number 10, which is the black color. And check this out. This is actually a really nice quality. It's got the Chanel logo at the top, and then here's the details on the bottom. And it's just a really nice volumizing wand. And this one is generally not really lengthening, but it's more volumizing for your lashes. And the other one is an eyeliner. It's the waterproof long-lasting eyeliner, and it's in Noir Intense. So it's a really deep black color. It has the Chanel logo, stylo here, waterproof, and then it's actually a pencil and you just wind it up and down, so that's very convenient. And I've always loved this one. It always gives really good color payoff. And then at the bottom you have the sharpener so that it's pointy at the end. So those are 2 items that I use regularly, so completely will get the use out of them. And I love Chanel makeup for just an overall natural makeup look, and it's really pretty. I did get a few free gifts, and they come in this really cute pouch. It's a black pouch, and inside I got a perfume sample. This one is the Paris Chanel, so you get to choose these at the checkout, and it's just this tiny cute bottle. And then I also got the number 1 the Chanel, which is their skincare line, and then you have the eye cream, got the serum, and then you got the cream as well. So that's what's inside the bag. And inside you can see that it is lined very nicely, really nice quality, and I'm so glad that Chanel finally have released these in the UK, because I swear for 3 years in a row it was only in the US, and I was so heartbroken every time. I just wanted to get my hands on this. So previously I did mention about the Dior sets, and if I'm really honest, I don't think I'm going to buy anything for myself from there, mainly because it's a bit too similar to what I already have. So I did think of getting the gold Minaudière, but I think it's a little bit too similar to my previous Minaudière, which is this gorgeous one. I love the print of this, and I think this is more unique in my opinion. because of the 30 Montaigne print at the top, and definitely much more prettier than the black one last year. I do like the gold and it is bigger, but for the price when I saw it upon release, I didn't feel like paying £270 for it. To me, I didn't feel like it was worth it. This, when I got it at the time, I think this was 158 from what I remember. And then last year was 190 something. And then 270 just seems a bit of a stretch. So I didn't see the worth when I've got something quite similar with similar CD details on the ends. Fits a very, very small amount. I know it can fit a card holder, but you can fit cards in here and you get the similar look. You fit a lipstick, and I guess I'm good to go with this. I would say that if you are looking for gifts for someone, I actually highly recommend you get the pouches. I didn't get it this year, but I got it last year and it looks like this. But the difference with the new one is that the zipper is not this closed design end. It's more of that zipper like cross hatching, and this imprinting here, instead of being dented in, it's more of that actual stitching and embroidery. So that's the only difference. But I have to say that this is such a beautiful pouch. I love using this for travel. It's really comparable to the LV shape when it comes to making the beauty pouches. And inside it's lined so nicely. And you can fit quite a good amount in here, and it's such an elegant design. I love how this looks. Another thing that I got, which is probably a bit different, is some more skincare from Muse. So I am one of their ambassadors for the year. Every month they send me a new product. So they sent me 2 for this coming 2 months, and they're mainly focusing on body this time, and it's called their perfume recovery line. I have a little sheet here telling me what this product is, and it's just telling me the details of the ingredients and what they do, and especially the textures involved. First one I have is the perfume recovery body cleanser. It looks like this. It says that the whitened keratin is removed by natural rolling effect of walnut shell particles, and the macadamia seed oil finalize the dry body with moistened freshness. Interesting in translation. But inside, I really love the packaging of this. Very minimalistic and luxurious. It's quite a big one. So this is a body cleanser, but I'd say it's more of a scrub. And if you look inside, there are like little beads inside. So those are the walnut shells. The smells involved in here, the top notes are lemon, the middle notes are more floral. So it's magnolia, muguet, I think that's how you pronounce it, violet, jasmine, rose and geranium. And the base notes are vanilla, musk and sandalwood. And then here we have the matching body cream. And it's a huge bottle. This is 300 milliliters of body cream. Really, really big. And if we open it up, this is definitely huge. Like, this is the size of my head. This also has the same scent, and it does smell really good. It's just a nice, really thick cream. I feel like Muse's products are more suited for dry skin types, especially when it comes to the facial care. And this feels really nice. I can definitely smell the magnolia really strong here. So we'll see how this works on my skin. I have previously been sent their Royal Comfort line, which is their anti-aging line. And my goodness, they are beautiful. But I would say during the summer, it's not so user-friendly. These are definitely more catered towards soothing and moisturizing dry skin, especially during the winter. So now that it is winter, I will be trying to use this more often. And I will let you know how this goes. But so far from just testing it out, haven't got any allergic reactions to it. For now, what I've used the most of was actually the first essence, because this is the only one that's lightweight. And this is such a nice texture. Got these little micro beads in there, and the main ingredient in here is black truffle. So beautiful antioxidants, and black truffle is really good for rejuvenating the skin. This one is already a really nice lightweight essence lotion, so really, really pretty. And just some other fun things that I wanted to share with you. So I've always been using this M Cosmetics Heaven's Glow Radiant Veil Blush in Cherub. This is limited edition, and I'm so heartbroken because I wish they will continue this more. And I know a lot of people love this product, but have you seen how much I've used this? I am literally further than hitting pan, and I'm pretty much scraping the ends of it, and it's been about a year since I got this. So it is a huge blush, don't get me wrong, but I have used this. This is like the size of my hand. It's very, very big, but still, I love this blush so much. So I was actually on a hunt to look for a dupe for this and something similar. I don't care if it's a dupe that's cheaper, but anything that was similar to this color because it's so flattering for the face. I'm using it today and it just gives such a beautiful glow. And the dupes that I found are not perfect, but it comes close. I have two because they give kind of two different feels to it. It looks very different from the pan, but when you swatch it on your skin, it does look similar. So this is a cult classic from Bourjois, and it's something that I've used previously, and it was from just way back to when I was a teenager. And this is the Rose D'Or, so the Golden Rose, number 34. And it gives a slightly more deeper color, but it still has that gold accent. But I would say that the gold flexes in here. It's a little bit too strong. The original feeling is more like a diffuse glow, so it does give that blush lighter feel. So I do think that this NARS version was actually, in terms of how it looks on the face, it came up closer. So this one on my index finger is the NARS blush. The middle finger is actually the Cherub blush from M Cosmetics, and it's just really pretty. I think that this on the face, it just gives that nice sheen to your face, so it's really, really pretty to use. So that is everything that I got, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And what do you think about all of these different Christmas collections that are coming out, especially in beauty? So if you enjoyed today's video, then check out this next video here, and I will see you there. Bye.